Picture this. You've been polishing your skills, practicing the aptitude, and building confidence for that big interview. You're ready to crush it. Then the interviewer drops the classic question, "Tell me about yourself." Your mind starts racing, your palms get sweaty, and you're thinking, how can I make an unforgettable impression with just one answer? Relax, you're not alone. I've got your back. Hey there, I'm Brinda. Welcome to StarAgile YouTube channel. Today, we are crafting a step-by-step answer for this question. By the end of this video, you will know what to say to stand out and make your interviewer think, wow, this is the one. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like so that you won't miss any career boosting tips. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why this question is such a big deal. When the interviewer is asking, "Tell me about yourself," they are doing more than breaking the ice. This includes the examination of the following: how well you understand the role, how you see yourself fitting into the company, and whether you can confidently present your story. Here's the good news. This question is a golden opportunity to make your strong first impression and turn the whole conversation into your favor. Let's build your answer and make it unforgettable. To nail this question, your answer should include these 4 key elements. Personal introduction, a quick overview of who you are professionally. Educational background, especially crucial for freshers. Relevant skills and achievements. Showcase what makes you stand out. Alignment with the company's goals. Connect your aspirations to the role and organization. When you combine these, your answer becomes a compelling story. Let's break down step by step with more examples to make it crystal clear. Have a strong opening. For example, I am Brinda, a recent computer science graduate having passion in building solutions. This grabs the attention while giving the interviewer the introduction of who you are. Step 2. Tailor your answer to the job description. Tailoring is key. If the job description has problem solving, then give an example to demonstrate your skill. For example, during my internship, I have developed a system that reduced the processing time by 20%, solving a key issue for my team. Step 3. Practice to build confidence. Practice, but don't memorize. The goal is to connect with the interviewer, not to deliver a robotic script. You have to sound authentic and natural. Here are few tailored examples to help you structure your answer. For IT professionals, I am Brinda, a computer science graduate with a hands-on experience in app development. In my final year, I have built a system to streamline the student communication, which was recognized as the best project in my class. I am excited to bring my technical expertise into the organization. For marketing professionals, I am Brinda, a marketing graduate passionate about digital campaigns. In my internship, I have increased the social media engagement by 30% through data-driven strategy. I am eager to apply my creativity and analytical skills in the organization. For finance professionals, I am Brinda, a finance graduate who thrives to solve complex problems. During my internship, I helped streamline budget reporting, which helped my team to save a lot of manual hours. I look forward to contribute to the organization's financial success. To really make your answer shine, remember, use positive body language, sit up straight, maintain eye contact, and smile. It shows confidence. End with enthusiasm. I am really excited about the role and the opportunity to contribute to your team. Let's quickly go through what not to do. Don't elaborate your personal things too much. Stay focused. Keep it professional. Don't ramble. Stick to the point. Don't sound rehearsed. Practice, but you should sound authentic but not robotic. Here's a quick checklist to ace your question. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Highlight your strengths. Align your goals with the role. Don'ts. Include irrelevant details. Forget to connect your story to the company's vision. And there you have it. A complete guide for answering "Tell me about yourself" like a pro. Remember, preparation is the key. Practice and stay confident. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to StarAgile YouTube channel for more career boosting tips. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you in the next video.